No, I'm just trying to get the good parts. Oh shit!
We got you.
Oh my god. That's too crazy.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go. What are you scared of? You're friends with the dude. Where's the other girl?
We're gonna be okay.
Oh my god.
Katie! Katie, get away from there! Chrissy, listen to me. Stay right here, okay? Don't move, okay? Katie.
Katie's possessed. Katie, chill out, dude. Just don't do anything. Let's turn this shit off. Dude, stop creeping up on her. She's fucking around with you. Oh my god! Oh my god. He's dead. Oh wait.